To add a new employee, simply select the Employees menu item and then click the New Employee button. The new employee form will ask for all information that's required about your employee. First, you'll be asked for the employee's personal information. If you want your employee to have online access, ensure that you enter their email address. The State Employed field is used for allocating payments for payroll tax purposes, so make sure that the correct state of employment is selected. The start date will form the starting point for long service leave accruals and may affect the tax rates applied to any termination payments. Emergency contact details can be added, and you can also have your own custom fields. To enable online access for your employee, you'll need to select at least one web role. The Employee Self-Service User web role lets the employee view and update their personal details and view payslips. The Leave User web role allows the employee to apply for leave, and the Expense User web role allows the employee to apply for an expense reimbursement. In the Payment Details section, you'll need to select a payment group for your employee. The payment group defines the entitlements for the employee, such as their leave entitlements, superannuation entitlements, employment type, and payment frequency. You can view a comparison of your payment groups by clicking the Compare All button. You'll need to enter an annual base salary or hourly rate depending on the payment group setup. Select the payment groups for the payments that you'll make to the employee. If the payment amount against a pay code for the employee is the same in every payroll, you can enter a default into the default value column for that pay code. Select the Employee Super Fund. If the super fund for the employee isn't available in the list, select No Super Fund Allocated and enter their member number. After adding the employee, you can add the super fund and then edit the employee's fund details. Please note that we can't pay any super for employees who are in No Super Fund Allocated. No Super Fund Allocated should only be used temporarily. Enter the employee's details from their TFN declaration. Don't forget that we'll automatically submit the TFN information electronically to the tax office, so there's no need for you to submit the form yourself. If you are paying via EFT or manual bank transfer, you'll need to enter bank account details for your employees. You can split the employee's pay into multiple bank accounts. Make sure you enter an amount for any secondary bank accounts if the employee has them. Assign your employees to one or more cost centres. For casual employees, you can enter the default hours against a cost centre as 0. However, for full-time or part-time staff, you should enter the number of hours that should be allocated to each cost centre in each payroll. These hours will automatically populate into the payroll input form. If you've given your employee any web roles, they will automatically be issued with a temporary password via email when you click the Save button. This password must be used within 72 hours.